Welcome back, everyone, on this Thursday night. First Alert Weather Day continues tonight and into tomorrow. We've seen some very gusty winds over the last couple of days, leading to blowing snow, ground drifting, and that all has been creating icy patches on the roadways. Right now here in Fargo, this is a look out west on our Coronado Skycam. We've still got a shake to the camera. We're still seeing some breezy conditions, but the strongest of the winds, at least for today, are behind us. Heading into tomorrow, we'll still see areas of blowing snow, ground drifting, icy roads, and another shot of some light snow, primarily in Minnesota. Here was the view earlier this afternoon. This is along I-94. This was near Brandon, Minnesota, which is near Alexandria. You see just how icy the interstate is. This was sent in by former Valley News Live anchor Andrea Larson as she was heading down to the Twin Cities today. Here is another snapshot along I-94 eastbound of a jackknife semi. You can see the windshield is wet as there was snow coming down, adding to the slickness of those roads. Thank you to Sue Brown for your upload. Right now, at this hour, the strongest winds continue to be in some of our Minnesota counties to the south and to the east. 33-mile-per-hour gusts in Alexandria, gusting to 30 in Detroit Lakes. Here in Fargo, wind is out of the north, sustained at around 16 miles per hour. Same thing in Devil's Lake. Satellite and radar showing that snow from the Colorado low has now exited to our east, but we have some low cloud cover, and within the low clouds, we have seen some brief snow showers this evening, including right here in Fargo. And anywhere you see the clouds, can't rule out some flakes this evening here over the next couple of hours. So let's walk through your hour-by-hour forecast. The breezy winds are going to continue. But the lull in the strongest of the winds will only last through the overnight hours. By tomorrow morning, the first thing you'll notice when you step out the door is not just the breeze, but the cold, especially for this time of the year. Temperatures will be in the single digits on either side of zero. Coldest in northwestern Minnesota with single digits below, and with the wind, it will feel like teens and 20s below across the entirety of the region. Wouldn't be surprised if we see a wind chill reading first thing in the morning, close to 30 below zero, especially to the northwest. Then the wind picks back up through the morning and into the afternoon, increasingly gusty into the afternoon, where you see the yellow arrows. That's gusts over 30 miles per hour for your lunchtime hour. And then here comes that round of snow. We've been talking over the last few days of that kind of wraparound precipitation. So another shot of snow, this time moving from the east to the west as that low pressure system kind of backtracks a little bit, bringing light snow to northern Minnesota, a few flakes in the Central Valley, but most of it will be to the east. We're looking at general trace to 2 inches of additional accumulation for some of our Minnesota counties through the day tomorrow. Flakes and flurries elsewhere with minimal accumulation, but the wind will be an issue for all of us. Let's walk through just the wind gust planner here. Waking up tomorrow morning, gusts still in the 20s to near 30 miles per hour, but watch the oranges that start to fill in. Those are the gusts near 40 miles per hour, really ramping up across eastern North Dakota into the late morning and early afternoon, and then spreading across the Southern Valley and Lakes country for the back half of our day. Right now in Fargo, again, a little bit on the breezy side. 15 degrees feels like 1 below zero. Many of us are falling into the single digits. 9 in Detroit Lake, 6 in Thief River Falls, 7 in Hallock and Devil's Lake, and single digits for highs tomorrow, but it will feel like teens below zero all day thanks to that gusty wind. All right, so First Alert Weather Day continues tomorrow. Into Saturday, the morning will be very windy, decreasing wind and decreasing cloud cover the rest of Saturday and into Sunday. And then we have a shot at close to 40 degrees Wednesday, Thursday of next week, but it does come with a chance of some more wintry weather, Stacey. It will really depend on the temperature of whether it falls as rain, wintry mix, or snow. We'll be watching it.
40 is not like good.
It's been 127 days since we've seen our last 40-degree temperature in Fargo.
Oh my goodness. Well,
I know.
We're still here. Just keep swimming. Thanks, Summer.